Today I'm going to teach you how to do a 3-digit long division problem with no remainders. Before we begin, don't forget, you can't just watch me, Miss Math, do it. In order to be a math master, you have to follow along with your paper and your pencil. And if Miss Math is going way too fast, don't be afraid to press the pause button. And when you're ready, press play. And most importantly, don't you forget, you got this. What is long division? Long division is a method used to divide larger numbers into smaller groups. Let's write down our problem. 243 divided by 9. Step 1. I'm going to set up my problem. When I set it up, it's important that I identify the divisor and the dividend. The divisor is going to be the number that goes on the outside, which is going to be our smaller number. This is going to be our divisor. And our dividend is going to be the number that is the large number in our problem. So 243 is our dividend. Let's write down our long division symbol. And our divisor goes on the outside. Our dividend goes on the inside. So 243 will go on the inside. Step 2. We're going to write down the steps to help us solve a long division problem. I found a really fun song that I'm going to be singing throughout this video, and I'm going to make sure that I link that song in the description box below. Make sure you watch that after this video. Our steps. Our first step is to divide. Our second is to multiply. Then we're going to subtract. We're going to bring it down, and we're going to bring it back. Now for that song. The song goes like this. Divide, multiply, then subtract. Bring it on down and bring it on back. This arrow, bring it on back. That part of the song tells me to start over. Step 3. I'm going to look at my divisor before I solve. My divisor is a 9. That 9 is going to tell me that I can write my multiples of 9 on the side because I know that they will help me solve the problem. Let's write our multiples of 9 on the side. 9, 18, 27, 36, 45, 54, 63, 72, 81, 90. Let's begin solving. 243 divided by 9. How do I do that? Let's look at our steps. Our first step tells us to divide. I'm going to divide 2 divided by 9. If I have 9 equal groups, can I divide 2 divided by 9? Can I put 2 into 9 equal groups? No, I cannot, because 2 is smaller than 9. 2 is less than 9. But if 2 is next to another number, I can combine those numbers. So instead of dividing 2 divided by 9, I can now divide 24 divided by 9. And yes, I can put 24 into 9 equal groups because 24 is greater than the number 9. First step, divide 24 divided by 9. How do I do that? I'm going to multiply. There is an invisible multiplication symbol right here. Go ahead and write it down so it's not invisible for you. 24 divided by 9. How do I do that? 9 times what is close to 24? Let's look at our multiples. 9 times what is close to 24 without going over? 9 times. Nope, not 9 times 1. 9 times 2. I see that 9 times 3 is 27. 27 is greater than 24, so that isn't going to work. So I'm going to go back to 18. And I know that 9 times 2 is 18. So I'm going to put a 2 above the 4. I'm not going to put it above the 2 because I'm not doing 2 divided by 9. I'm doing 24 divided by 9. So 9 times 2 is 18. I multiplied. I got 18. That helps me with my next step, which is to subtract. So let's write 18 underneath 24. because now I multiplied and now I'm in my step, which is to subtract. 18 minus 24. I know that 18 minus 24 is 6. If you didn't know that, that's okay. We know that 4 minus 8, 8 minus 4. We can't do that. So we're going to cross out the 2. That's going to become a 1. The 4 becomes 14. 8 minus 14 is 6, okay? And 1 minus 1 is 0. So 18 minus 24 is 6. After I subtract, I must bring down the next number. Bring down that 3. After I bring down the number, it says to bring it on back. Bring it on back to our division. I'm now going to divide 63 divided by 9. Once again, how do I divide? I'm going to use multiplication to help me. 9 times what is close to 63 or exactly 63? Let's look at our multiples of 9 again. But let's look until we get all the way close to 63. Okay, I'm getting closer. I see 54. I see 63. Wait, that's the exact same number. Let's circle it. So 9 times what is 63 or close to 63? Let's see. 9 times 1, 9 times 2, 9 times 3, 9 times 4, 9 times 5, 9 times 6, 9 times 7. Let's write a 7 on top. I multiplied 9 times 7 and I got 63. Our next step is to subtract. Write your answer that you got from 9 times 7, which was 63, and subtract those. 3 minus 3 is 0. 6 minus 6 is 0. My next step is to bring it down. Do I have anything to bring down? No. And I see that these are both 0, so I know that I am done. My quotient is 27. Final answer? 27. Thank you, kids, for learning with Miss Math today. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you are still feeling stuck after watching my video, that is A-OK. Some topics take longer to fully understand, and you're in luck. Miss Math offers one-on-one tutoring, and your parent can book in the description box below. Or you can scan the QR code in 3, 2, 1.